Hi guys! In a previous video we showed how to create a third-person camera using Cinemachine. In that video we set up the camera to automatically recenter to face the direction the character is moving after a period of time. Today we're going to look at how we can change this behaviour to have the camera recenter when a key or the right trigger of the gamepad is pressed. Okay, the first thing we need to do is select the virtual camera and disable the recenter to target heading setting. This will stop the camera automatically recentering. While we're here, we'll also change some of the other settings. When we press the button, we want the camera to recenter immediately, so we'll set the wait time to 0. We'll also reduce the recentering time to 0.5 to speed up the time it takes to recenter. Next, we'll configure the input we want to use to recenter the camera. To do this, we'll select Edit, Project Settings. Then we'll select the Input Manager. We'll add a new input binding by expanding the axes and increasing the size value. This will add a new entry at the end. We'll rename this Camera Recenter. Then we'll assign the left control key as the positive button. And we'll remove the entry for the alternative positive button. Next, we'll add an input binding for the gamepad right trigger. We'll increase the size field again. This will create a duplicate of the previous binding. In this new binding, we'll remove the entry for the positive button. We'll change the type to joystick axis. Then we'll change the axis to the 10th axis. This will be the right trigger on the gamepad we're using. It may be different for different gamepads, so just play about with different settings if it doesn't work. Next, we'll create a script to enable the camera recentering. We'll navigate to the Scripts folder in the Assets folder. Then we'll click the plus button and create a new script. We'll name this Camera Recenter. Then we'll drag this script onto the virtual camera in the hierarchy. Now let's double-click the script to open it in the editor. We'll start by adding the Cinemachine namespace. Then we'll add a private field for the Cinemachine Free Look camera component. In the Start method, we'll get this component and assign it to the field. Then, in the Update method, we'll get the axis value for the new camera recenter input we created. If the value is 1, it means the left control key or the right trigger has been pressed. If that's the case, we'll enable the recenter to target heading setting on the camera. We'll then add an else statement to turn this off again when the key or trigger is released. Let's save the script and switch back to Unity to try this out. Now the camera realigns if we press the left control key or the right trigger of the gamepad. Okay, that covers everything for this video. A big thank you to all our amazing patrons for helping to support the channel. If you'd like to help and also get access to the source code, you can find the details in the description. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks guys!